The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, has long been considered one of the most important astronomical instruments ever built, and it certainly doesn't disappoint. Operated by NASA, the European Space Agency, ESA, and the Canadian Space Agency, CSA, the JWST is set to launch in December 2021 and is quickly positioned to replace the Hubble Space Telescope. Its unique ability to image in the infrared spectrum has revolutionized our understanding of the universe. One of the most surprising recent discoveries has been the observation of city lights from space, a discovery that has sparked excitement and speculation across the scientific community and beyond. This astonishing discovery could change our understanding of the universe and raise profound questions about the existence of intelligent extraterrestrial civilizations. The discovery of artificial light on an exoplanet is more than just a scientific achievement. It is a discovery that could have implications for humanity. Ever since humans first looked up at the night sky, the question of whether we are alone in the universe has been on our minds. The discovery of artificial light on distant planets suggests that we may not be alone, and that other intelligent worlds may have evolved to manipulate their surroundings to explain their environment. This idea of city lights is one of the first signs of technology discovered outside our solar system. This could be one of the clearest signs of intelligent life elsewhere on Earth. The James Webb Space Telescope has made this discovery possible thanks to its ability to peer deep into space and capture faint light. One of the largest mirrors ever deployed in space, its split mirror allows it to observe objects at incredible distances with unprecedented clarity. JWST can provide information about the outer limits of space by observing the infrared spectrum through dust and clouds in the atmosphere. This capability is important for detecting artificial light, as the infrared spectrum can detect heat and energy emissions that cannot be seen with telescopes focused on visible light. The planet in question, located in the habitable zone of the star system, has already inspired speculation about the nature of Earth. Located in a region where liquid water still exists, the exoplanet has fascinated astronomers since it was first discovered. Traces of water vapor in the atmosphere and surface conditions suggest that life could exist there. But the discovery of the moon and artificial objects represent a further step forward in the search for extraterrestrial life. These lights flicker and change, just like the night cities we see on Earth, and they show a level of technological sophistication that only developed nations have. The implications of this discovery are profound. For centuries, people have wondered if exoplanets exist. Now we have the first evidence that these peoples not only exist, but that they have adapted their environment to ours. The presence of city lights probably means that a lot of energy is being used due to advanced infrastructure, management, and technological capabilities. This raises good questions about the nature of this world. Are they quiet explorers like us, or are they more interested in new technologies? What are their societies like, and how do they interact with their environment? One of the most interesting aspects of this discovery is that it points to similar traits between races. Using energy to light cities is a characteristic of advanced human societies. Could this be a form of sentient world around the world? If so, this suggests that some aspects of technological development will be driven by intelligence of all types, with electricity use and urbanization being the most important indicators. This opens up new opportunities to study exoplanets and search for life. If the city lights of advanced civilizations are a clue, astronomers may have a new tool to search for extraterrestrial life. The discovery also raises philosophical questions. For most of human history, we believed that life existed only on Earth. The discovery of city lights on other planets challenges this hypothesis, suggesting that life, and perhaps intelligent life, is much more common than previously thought. If intelligent humans exist elsewhere, what does that mean for humanity's place in the universe? Are we simply an intelligent species, or is our own evolution and development unique? These questions are not only scientific in nature, but also deeper questions about identity, purpose, and our relationship to the world. Understanding this light also makes us think about the possibility of contact with these distant worlds. If we can produce city lights, it stands to reason that we can also use other forms of communication, such as radio signals or lasers. Identifying and analyzing these signals could be the next step in our journey to contact extraterrestrial life. Interaction with aliens is both exciting and scary. It can change our understanding of the world, but it also carries potential risks. How can we communicate with a species that is more advanced than us? What if their thoughts are not peaceful? These are the questions that people face when they make contact with aliens. Also, the city lights raise questions about the impact of these countries on the environment. Rapid urban growth in the region has led to environmental problems such as pollution, climate change, and habitat destruction. Could these foreign countries face similar problems? Have they developed more powerful and sustainable resources? Or are they suffering the consequences of industrialization like we have? The answers to these questions could illuminate our future. If these countries have been able to overcome their environmental problems, we can learn from their example and use those lessons to fight climate change and build a better life. On a more philosophical level, the city lights seen on distant planets make us rethink our understanding of time and space. The light from these planets takes years to reach us, which means we can see the planets sooner. By the time we see the light, the people who created it have either evolved or disappeared. This raises a good question about longevity. How long have advanced civilizations existed? Will they deal with the same problems that threaten our society? Or will they find a way to overcome them and survive for thousands of years? It is as if we are seeing the remains of people who have long since died, adding a darkness to the vision, reminding us of the fragility of the world and the problems it faces. Jane, this discovery is interesting, but we must be careful. History is full of examples of conflicts between various peoples on Earth, often in the form of conflict and misunderstanding. If we encounter these aliens, we must be careful not to repeat the mistakes of the past. Ensuring a comfortable and productive life requires a global approach and integration with potential interactions with external life. The consequences of interacting with a more advanced technological world are far-reaching, and we must act cautiously to avoid unintended consequences. This discovery also has broader implications for space astronomy and the search for life. In the past, astronomers focused on finding biosignatures, signs of biological activity, such as oxygen and methane in planetary atmospheres. Observing artificial light is a new addition to this search. Searching for technosignatures is a hallmark of the advanced technological world. This shift in focus could greatly enhance our ability to find and identify intelligent people around the world. It also raises the possibility that many planets previously thought to be uninhabitable could be colonized by advanced civilizations. The ability of JWST to detect faint and distant signals could provide new ways to search for alien life on now-forgotten planets. Furthermore, the discovery of city lights on exoplanets could change the allocation of resources for space exploration. Governments, private space agencies, and research institutions could prioritize the study of exoplanets over other types of celestial bodies. The question, "Are we alone?" could be replaced by "Who else is there?" This movement could accelerate technological advances in space exploration as humans seek to uncover the secrets of other intelligent worlds. The prospect of extraterrestrial life challenges long-held assumptions about the uniqueness of the human universe. For centuries, humans have considered themselves the pinnacle of evolution, the only intelligent species capable of creating societies with sophisticated technology. The observation of artificial light on another planet suggests that we may not be as unique as we thought. This humble attitude could have profound implications for how we see ourselves and our place in the world. It could lead to a new era of collaboration and exploration, one in which the goal is not simply to conquer space, but to understand and communicate with other intelligent beings. The James Webb Space Telescope's discovery of city lights on a distant planet has revolutionized our understanding of the universe and humanity's place in it. This discovery raises profound questions about the existence of extraterrestrial life, the nature of our technological world, and the future of space exploration. As we continue to analyze the data and explore the implications of this discovery, we are getting closer to answering one of humanity's oldest questions. Are we alone in the world? The answer may be closer than you think. The discovery of artificial light or traces of advanced civilizations on distant exoplanets is undoubtedly one of the most important events in human history. It not only changes our understanding of the world, but also determines our place in it. It affects many areas, including science, technology, politics, philosophy, and even our personal views on life. Although experimental, this discovery poses many challenges and ethical considerations for the international community. However, it takes us to an exciting new stage in our quest for knowledge and understanding of worlds beyond Earth.